Guys, today's video we are gonna troubleshoot a SLX 300 Thermo King unit refrigerated trailer. This unit's been reported that it's making a squeaking and cracking sound while running. We're gonna start the unit and see where's the noise coming from. So guys, you're gonna hear that there's a squeaking sound while the engine is running. As we move in the top portion of the unit, we can notice the noise becoming more louder. So we are checking the bottom idler pulley, the tensioner, the set of pulleys, and the secondary fan blower alternator also. They are in good condition. While we notice that the top portion of the condenser fan, the bearing is already completely shattered.
Grabe yung sira ng bearing.
Please watch out for the part 2 of this video that they're gonna show how to replace the bearing from the fan shop. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.